Hello YouTube, this is Dr. DaretoBeCreative, and I'm here with a little teeny haul from Walmart and from Joanns. They had these, only because it was a probably impulse buy, I saw them sitting there, but they were clearance for $1, and these are 12.5 by 9.5, and it's 1.5 inches thick. But there's this nice little stackable storage container, so, well, not stackable like they stay together, but just you can stack them, but they don't connect or have grooves or anything. But yeah, so I just picked up 2 of those. I figure it's always something I can use those for, and they were clear, so to help. Did get some more silver, gold, and white ribbon. I don't need any more, but I needed those. And Joanns had everything I got is on sale. I don't even remember the percentages. Buy something, get one free or something. I can't remember what it was. But I had these in silver. I got these in gold. And it just says made with love. And so from Walmart, I got some ribbon clamps in silver and gold because I needed some more gold ones. And I needed some more lobster clasp in gold and some bead crimps. So Joanns, I got some more of the gold ones, and these look larger than these go. Yep, so these are larger. Not a lot in there, but. And then I just got some of the silver and the gold chain, and it's 100 inches. Did pick this one up. My shopping was cut short because I had to meet somebody, so I didn't get ready to look long. But I did get this Hildy and Joe 9-piece, and this was on at least 50% off. I know these were on sale. So I just got some little charms. These are silver and gold. They're just like the different, I guess you would call them birthstones, but because that's the different colors they have. And then they got the gold and silver stars to go along with it. I'm sure most of you guys have seen those. Seen these, the little Eden beads. I did kind of get this one, this 8-piece charm set with the musical stuff on it. I was thinking about my brother-in-law. He's a musician. So that is my little haul. So anyway, hope you wonderful people are doing well. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.